Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use spline command in CATIA. Today learn CATIA lecture 6. CATIA lecture 6 is explain this spline point is today discuss here. So let's see what are the spline command, spline tools, a spline 2D command, how to easily use in CATIA. At first open CATIA software, then you want to create new sketch interface in CATIA. At first open CATIA software, okay, and select a Mechanical Design and Sketcher and okay. At first select a plane, any design create before. At first select a plane, okay. Plane is select a XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane. Today I select a plane is XY plane, okay. This is a sketcher point, all command, all tools show here, and this point today discuss here spline tools, okay. Then this point is a spline tool, okay. This point is, this tools is a spline tool and connect tool. Today discuss here click spline tool and this origin point and another point. Select origin point, this point, also this point, this point, this point. Double click, remove here, okay. And mention any dimension. Dimension is this point and this point is a, okay. Double click this point and this point also, okay. This point and this point, okay. This point and okay. This point and this point is a, okay. This point and this point also, this point and this point also, okay. Any change dimension, any change the value, double click here and 90, okay. And this is a 50, okay. And this is a 40, okay. And this is a 60, okay. And drag any point, no drag at dimension is fixed, okay. This is a spline tool. This is a spline tools discuss here. And next tool is a connect. Connect means at first draw a line, and this is a connect tool is a, this point and this point is a, this line is connect, okay. Also this and this line is a connect, okay. Any line, this line and also this line and this connect spline tool is select here, this line and this line connect here, and this line and this line connect here, okay. This drag here and this is a drag here, okay. And mention dimension. Dimension is a, this point and this point. Okay, change the value, double click here, and 1 1 0, double click here, 1 2 0. Okay, okay, and fix a dimension, then drag a fully drag, not fix a dimension any, change the shape. This is a fixed direction, this is a fixed not direct dimension any, drag the, okay, shape change but dimension fix. Okay, double click and 90. Okay, then this shape is drag, and this shape is not fixed, this is shape is also fixed here. Okay, dimension is not so here. Okay, not so. Okay, this shape is a, okay, okay guys, lecture 6-7 is coming soon, and spline command is discussed here today in CATIA software. Guys, get more and more videos, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.